Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we share with you our adventures and discoveries around the world. In this video, we're going to take you on a tour of Ryan Dam and its surroundings and show you why it is a hidden gem. So, let's get started. Ryan Dam is a hydroelectric dam on the Missouri River, 10 miles downstream from the city of Great Falls. It is built on the largest of the 5 Great Falls of Missouri, the Big Falls, which is also sometimes called Great Falls. The dam is over 100 years old and has a fascinating history and significance for Montana. It also offers stunning views and recreational activities. Ryan Dam was built in 1915 by the Montana Power Company, which later became part of the Northwestern Corporation. The dam was named after John D. Ryan, who was the president of the company at the time. The dam was designed to harness the power of the Missouri River and provide electricity for the region. The dam is 1,336 feet long and 61 feet high, and its reservoir is 7 miles long and has a storage capacity of 5,000 acre-feet. Getting to Ryan Dam is easy and convenient. You can drive from Great Falls, which is about 15 minutes away, or from other nearby towns, such as Helena or Missoula. The dam is located on Ryan Dam Road, which is off Highway 87. There are signs along the way that will guide you to the dam. There is a large parking lot near the dam, where you can leave your car for free. There are also restrooms and a visitor center, where you can get information and maps. From the parking lot, you can walk across a suspension bridge that leads to Ryan Island Park, which is a public recreational picnic area just downstream from the dam. Once you cross the bridge, you will be amazed by the scenic views around Ryan Dam. You can see the dam and the falls from different angles and perspectives and admire the beauty and power of nature. You can also see the River's Edge Trail, which is a 60-mile trail that connects parks and other points of interest along the Missouri River. The trail is open to walkers, bikers, and runners, and offers a great way to explore the area. If you're interested in learning more about the dam and how it works, you can take a dam tour. A guided tour is a 45-minute tour that is led by a knowledgeable and friendly guide. The guided tour is free and open to the public, but you need to make a reservation in advance. You can call or visit the visitor center to book your tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring Ryan Dam with me, and I hope you learned something new and interesting.